Hey, what's up? Gleb, Alexandrov here. Sorry for no tutorials and videos on my channel for some time. We've been working hard on the new hard surface. Damn it. We've been working hard on the new hard surface modeling video course with ID Burrows. Actually, that's a stop-motion video created by Lena. Thanks so much. We'll talk about the hard surface stuff in just a moment. But now the Code Quest. The Code Quest has been such a great project. I'm so proud of Blender developers. That's the biggest thing that is happening right now with the CGI, open source community and global movement of nerds producing 3D graphics using the open source and free tools. Pablo, if you're watching this, we just love your blogs. It was such great content, such a joy to watch. Please keep doing this kind of vlogs and blogs because it was a super enjoyable thing to watch. I watched every bit of it, just every day. We learned a lot about 2.8 even before the release, which is priceless.
CG Masters Creative Shrimp, the most epic video course in the entire universe, kind of.
So, time to be excited because the hard surface modeling video course, the most epic video course about hard surface modeling, is probably out by the time you're watching this video. Because, you know, YouTube is such a platform, you never know when people actually watch your videos just after you post it or maybe a few years later. I'm trying to compensate for that fact by including the timeless statements in the video. Like, if you're watching this in 2065, I still firmly believe that our course is still relevant.
And before I forget, dear YouTube, thanks for bringing back the official Blender channel. You know, it was a hell of a fun to have it entirely blocked. Alright, so what about the video course? The glorious promo video will soon hit our YouTube channels. I mean CG Masters YouTube channel and Creative Shrimp YouTube channel. That is, if they won't get blocked. And again, taking the specific temporality of YouTube into account, you have already watched the promo video, I mean, well, in some sense, and I bet you're excited. Hell, you might have watched the entire video course by now, so in this case, awesome, please let me know what you think in the comments below. But all jokes aside, we feel pretty nervous just before the release of this humongous project, our dream project in some sense. Project that took eternity to hatch and to grow, to become this special something that we are proud to share with you guys, but that wasn't easy by any stretch of imagination.
Honestly, I have never thought about myself as a hard surface artist. I have never described myself as a hard surface artist, but actually looking back, you know, I've been painting robots since I was 3, I believe. Look at this design. It's fighting with aliens by shooting lasers from his eyes. Classic. And actually, my nerd friends around me also have this kind of hard surface tendencies. Just look at Nick, he's creating this kind of stupid visor right now. This couldn't be a coincidence, no? Some part of my pixel pusher's DNA definitely cares about robots.
What can I say? From day one of our modeling careers, which started about 15 years ago, both Adi and I have been in this shit. Starting from 3ds Max Pyramid Primitive, which technically was a hard surface asset, then on and on and on, you name it, Star Wars stuff, robots, hard surface assets of any kind, flying machines, pieces of sci-fi environments, cyberpunk, steampunk, on our day jobs and as freelance contractors, and later on for our tutorials. Now I think we have been predestined to create this course for you guys. Now we are about to hit the goddamn button and to publish this project on Blender Market and on Gumroad. No idea what happens afterwards, we keep fingers crossed.
So that was Gleb Alexandrov for CreativeShrimp.com. Expect lots and lots of content appearing on the channel. It's coming your way. Thank you for sharing your hard surface common problems with us. That's much appreciated. That gave us an important motivation and important material for the course. I want to encourage you to take a look at it. The trailer is on the channel, so watch it right now.